In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add store to Godaddy website. If you already have a Godaddy site and you want to start selling products, you can add a store section directly inside your website editor. This lets customers browse items and place orders, all from your site. To begin, open your Godaddy My Products dashboard. This is the main place where you manage what you have connected with your Godaddy account, including your websites. Once you are in the dashboard, look for a section that says Websites, then scroll until you can clearly see it. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the right area, because the next action depends on choosing the correct website project. Next, find the website you want to edit, and then click the blue Edit Site button next to your project. This blue button is the entry point to the visual editor for your website. After you click it, you should see your website editing interface open. The goal in this step is to switch from your dashboard view into the live editor where you can add the store components. Now, once the editor loads, click Website on the top right toolbar. This toolbar option helps you access website-level settings and features. You should see a menu or drop-down area appear after you select it. This is where Godaddy groups options related to your site's structure and what you can add. In the drop-down menu options, click Store. Selecting Store tells the editor that you want to include shopping functionality. You are essentially telling the site that it will include product listings and a store area. When you choose Store, the editor will present options for adding products and configuring the store. After you select Store, click Add Product to create your first item listing. This step is important because a store is not just a layout, it is also a list of products. By clicking Add Product, you are starting the process of entering the details customers will see when they view your products. Next, fill in your product name, price, and images. As you type the product name, keep it clear and descriptive, because this is what customers use to decide if they want that item. When you add the price, double-check that it matches what you intend to charge. Then, upload or select images that look good and show the product clearly, since images often have the biggest impact on customer interest. Once you have entered the product information and confirmed the images look correct, click Save. This saves your changes for that product listing inside the editor. You may see the editor confirm that the product was saved, or you may be able to see your product appear within the store area. If something looks off, you can usually adjust it before moving on. Finally, when you are ready for customers to see your store, click Publish in the top right corner of the website editor toolbar. Publishing is what makes your store live on your actual website. Until you publish, customers typically cannot access the changes, so this last step is essential. After you publish, give it a moment for the site to update, then open your website in a new tab to confirm the store is working properly. Check that the product name, price, images, and store placement are visible as you expect. If everything looks right, you can continue by adding more products using the same Add Product flow, and that covers everything you need to know. You can now add your first store listing in Godaddy and publish it so customers can start shopping.